Most people waste time trying to get YouTube video transcripts in the hard way, but there's a much faster method and it's completely free. Let's first see the old school way quickly, and then I will show you the smarter AI power trick that changed everything for me. In our traditional method, if we need a transcript, we will scroll down and click on Show Transcript, and here we would be able to copy all of the transcript. Then we could go and paste this transcript into a Word or a text file for us. It works, but it's slow, messy, and you can't even jump on the timestamp properly. Now forget all that. Let me show you the faster, cleaner, and way more powerful method. And this is what I use. Go to YouTube to transcript.com and paste the link to your YouTube video. And instantly, you will get a full transcript right there on the screen. No typing, no wait. Even better, you can click on any sentence in the transcript and it will take you to the exact moment in the video. It's fast, it's accurate, and it makes editing or summarizing videos 10x easier. If you create content, study from videos, or just want better access to what's being said, this tool is a game changer. The link to try this out is in the video description. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe the channel, and hit the bell icon. I post quick tools and tech tips like this all the time.